We're here today to launch these two global funds that we've been working on for a year now, incubating, and we're now ready to launch them into the market. We have a fixed income fund and an equity fund. Now these invest in assets across the world, nothing to do with Kenya, and the genesis of them was to help our clients diversify away, to have exposure to global markets, and also do it in a way that is safe. We're not trying to take risks, we're trying to manage our clients' money in a diligent and trustworthy way in order to earn a good return. So the dollar fixed income fund, the global one, invests in ETFs of bond funds around the world. The equity one similarly is also invested in ETFs. These are low-cost trackers that basically look at the whole index. We're not trying to pick names. We're not trying to be smart with your money. We're trying to be professional, and we're trying to basically give you exposure to the world in an affordable way, which would be $1,000 for each of those two funds as a minimum entry, and to allow you to basically express a view and get exposure to the rest of the world. It was client demand. Basically, our clients were now asking us to start giving them a diverse bouquet of solutions. People wanted to invest outside Kenya. People wanted to diversify outside Kenya. We're doing so elsewhere, but they wanted a brand like NCBA to give them a solution, somewhere where it's seamless from their existing portfolios that we manage, from their existing bank accounts with a name that they trust, a relationship manager who they know, a branch which they can access. I think that's really the power of the brand. So what we've done is listen to our customers, and we've basically put this product together which allows you to diversify and easily get in and out of it. So the first thing to do is basically, if you have a relationship with NCBA, hopefully you do, then contact your RM, contact your branch, and they will be very happy to give you the information that you do. If you have a relationship with the investment bank, for example, you might be an investor in the fixed income fund or any of the other products that we have, then that's really easy. Just contact the team and you can do so. Otherwise, you can reach us through our digital platforms, or just walk into a branch, or any sort of tap a NCBA person on the shoulder and say, look, I'm interested in this product, and someone will be very happy to help you access that. Look, I think as a Kenyan, over the last couple of years, volatility of the exchange rate became a reality. And that made people start to sort of wonder, how do I protect my assets? How do I protect myself from movements in the currency? And I think really this is what has driven the genesis of this, and the sort of special funds, as the CMA calls them, these funds that allow people to express a view outside. I think the other thing is that our capital markets haven't really kept pace with the growth in wealth. So people have a lot more wealth, or a lot more wealth is finding itself into the capital markets. And this is just a way of someone expressing a view. The third thing I would say is that this is about keeping your money with someone you trust. If you trust the brand NCBA, then, we've just developed the products that allow you to express a dollar view in a brand that you can trust. We take this extremely seriously. So AML checks, factor checks, all these sort of things that are globally accepted standards, we take very seriously and apply them to all the checking we do on our clients. But really, that is a very normal thing. Anyone walking into an NCBA branch and opening an account would be taken through the same process. So it's nothing mysterious. It's basically just what we do in a normal course of business. So the NCBA Global Equity and the Fixed Income Fund really are quite different from anything else in the market. They are basically trying to stay as a relatively low-cost way of expressing a view on the market. Our expense ratio is 1.4%, which is very competitive in this market. Our entry point is $1,000, which is very competitive. And also, we are trying to basically follow what the markets are doing, not try and be smart in picking individual investments. We are following the trend.